Okay, here we are at the second apartment. It's looking like it's a storage right outside the apartment. Is another air handler. It's looking like a storage unit. There's some floor-based heating there. Not sure if it works. But yeah, this definitely looks like storage. As you can see, the ceiling looks like PEX piping exposed. Let's see if... This is a bathroom here. This is kind of tub, exposed plumbing. Ceilings dropping. Not sure if there's water spots. I don't think it's mold. As you can see, the floor is not done. What I've walked on so far seems level, but more exposed plumbing. I mean, this one clearly needs everything. I mean, there's nothing. So I don't step on nails. This is a little more difficult to try to keep some kind of order. Porch. Okay, kitchen. Looks like some birds have been in here. Must be the den. It's really hard to try to keep any kind of flow in here. It's just a complete gut job. Closet. Another old window. There's the entrance. Very difficult one to try to keep any kind of symmetry or flow. So much stuff in here. All right, let's this needs everything. Apartment number 2. All right, I'll lock it back up.